Side hustle number two is something you probably, Side hustle number two is something you probably never thought about before. A lot of people need it, and almost everybody can do this if you have this particular skill. This is perfect for storytelling rappers. If you somebody that really takes your time and you care about your lyrics, this is a great side hustle for you. If you're somebody who loves writing in your free time, this is a great side hustle for you, and that's YouTube content writing. Now, if y'all like me, when I first really started thinking about this didn't make any sense.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
Because YouTube is all videos. You don't really write that much, people just up here talking. Even with me being a YouTuber and having the amount of videos I have on my channel, a lot of times it was me watching the clip, coming up with my thoughts, start talking, boom. Once I started putting it down on paper, I realized how much time that can take. And you need to structure your YouTube videos a certain way where it's really gonna hit inside the algorithm. You can really maximize the amount of money that you can make off of this. If you're someone that understands storytelling and flows and you can really see the nuances of how a YouTube video works, every YouTube content creator needs a writer, because writing content for YouTube can take a long time if that's not your skill, but if it's something you're naturally good at, they will outsource that, because this is how YouTube works. You start off with an idea that you know what, I'm not going through, I have to do the whole thing. Y'all watch now. Because it's a lot of steps to make a YouTube video. You got idea generation, you gotta set up the cameras, you gotta edit the video, you gotta write the script, you gotta monetize, you gotta optimize, you gotta look at analytics, and as a YouTuber, you take all of this on. But as you start growing and you get more subscribers and you get more views, you wanna be able to spend your time the most efficiently where it's really gonna work out great for your business. So you start developing systems. And once you develop systems, you see the gaps in the process and who you need to hire for. I can tell y'all right now, having a writer on staff to help you with the YouTube content is a game changer. So if you're somebody that writes well, which if you're a storytelling rapper, you probably do, you can set up a whole business around this. You click the link below, you can go to Kajabi. Kajabi is great for setting up any type of e-commerce business. It's great for your podcast, it's great for your emails, it's where we do all of our business through. You can click that link, get everything set up, and then I would suggest this. In our How to Grow Your YouTube Channel course, I have sections specifically about how to write YouTube scripts. I would go buy that section right now, so that way you're equipped with the knowledge, and then I would go look at other YouTube content writers that are out there on Google, see what they tell you to do, combine all that together, get everything done on Kajabi, and now you got a business where you can charge people $50, $100, $200 based on how you write and what you write about. You might be able to charge people $500 a YouTube script. If you're a content creator or a YouTuber, what do you deal with that you wish that you could hire someone for? Is it video editing? Is it writing? Is it production setup? Is it optimizing the video? Is it repurposing the content? Write in the comments below so people can truly understand the creator economy and what type of side hustles are available if you really dedicate yourself to the YouTube game.
Group82university.com.